What's up, everybody? In this lesson, we are talking about the Pythagorean Theorem. I don't know about you guys, but I'm hungry for some Greek food. I'm gonna have me some good old Greek after I get through teaching this lesson. Alright. To understand this concept, you need to have mastery of square and square root, solve equations, the two steps, know triangles and square facts, acute right, and the two angles. Angle facts. You know, if the angle is acute, that angle, being angle A, is going to be less than 90 degrees. All right. If it's a right angle, it's going to equal 90 degrees. If it's an obtuse angle, it's going to be greater than 90 degrees. These are 3 point facts that I will be questioning you on. So see to it that you definitely know what's up on that. Alright, guys, let's solve this equation. How will we solve this equation? You have to know how to solve equations to get through this, you guys. So remember, in order to solve these equations, your main goal is to get x alone. Alone. And to do that, you have to deal with the number that is closest to the equal sign. Always closest to the equal sign. The 5 is close to the equal sign, so when you have a positive 5, what is its opposite? Its opposite. Its opposite or inverse, additive inverse as we call it, is negative 5. So when you cross that out, what you do to one side, you do to another in relation to taking a negative 5. The reason why I crossed out over this side the positive 5 out, because a positive 5 plus a negative 5 is 0. So when you're dealing with these negative signs here, think of it as owing someone money. If I owe you $55, but then I borrow $5 more, do I still owe you money? Yeah, I do. How much do I owe you? I owe you $60. What's next? I gotta divide everything by 3 to get x by itself. Because remember, I want x by itself, and to do that, I have to divide. So guys, I have a negative 60 divided by 3. What should that answer be? Negative 20. Because when you divide a negative number by a positive, you're going to get a negative because it's an odd number of negative. 1 is an odd number, so you're going to have a negative. Alright, guys, what is an exponent and a square root? Give you a fast example of it. So 7, if I want to write 7 to the power of 2 is an exponent, but if I want to write it 7 times 7, which gives you 49. The square root of 49 is what? Well, it's 7 because it's a perfect square. Just like that. All right, you guys, you try this out. All right. All right, to get credit for classwork, answer all questions left for you to do in Google Classroom. Engage in discussion with teachers. Do well in Kahoot. Play Don't Slay and get everything done. All right.